Unlock more living space without extending your home. Extending or adding to your home isn't suitable for everyone. It can be expensive and disruptive, or you simply don't have the space. But that doesn't mean you have to be stuck with a home layout that doesn't work for you. Pizzazz Design and Build are specialists in home design optimization, reimagining and rediscovering the space you already have so that your home is optimized to suit your wants and needs and has the right balance of connection and privacy. Check out this recent project that transforms separate and disjointed kitchen, dining and living rooms into a beautiful new open-plan living area. This massive transformation was all achieved in the existing footprint, but it feels like a brand new space. To get the ball rolling on your home transformation, get in touch now to book your free in-home consultation with your local Pizzazz building team. Call us on 0800 792 992, send us a DM, or visit our home on the web www.pizzazz.co.nz.